Namaste dear students. Today we will start another interesting lesson in our expression book called Bicycle, My Life Story. A modern bicycle by definition is a rider-powered vehicle with two wheels powered by the rider turning pedals connected to the rear wheel by a chain and having handlebars for steering and saddle-like seat for sitting and riding the cycle comfortably. With that definition in mind, let's look at the history of early bicycles and the developments that led up to the modern bicycles. The first device that resembled the look today was invented around 1790 by a Frenchman called Count Mide de Sivrac. The device was called Calorifere. It had no steering and no pedals. It was made of wood. A rider would power forward by using their feet and then glide on the Calorifere. A nobleman called Baron Karl von Dres from Germany in 1817 invented an improved two-wheel version of the Calorifere. He called the invention as Dresian after himself. It was also called Laufmaschine, a German word for running machine. The running machine was made entirely of wood and had no pedals. Hence, a rider would need to push his or her feet against the ground to make the machine go forward. Dres also designed a brake for the running machine. Dresian was first exhibited in Paris on April 6, 1818. The first pedal bicycle was invented by a Scottish blacksmith called Kirkpatrick Macmillan in 1839. One day back in 1839, as he watched people riding an extraordinary vehicle by kicking the ground with feet, he felt there had to be a better way to ride. After much thinking, Macmillan came up with an idea of a pedal setup so that the rider could move the vehicle rather push. Using his blacksmith tools, he put his idea into place. It suddenly took a giant leap forward. Macmillan made an iron rim around the wooden wheels. The vehicle's front wheel measured 30 inches in diameter while the back wheel measured 40 inches. The two wheels were connected to the pedals via connecting rods. The new look attracted a lot of attention and it became quite popular. Many historians say Pierre and Ernest Michaud are the true inventors of the modern look. This father and son duo operated a company that made carriages in Paris, and they first made a two-wheeled velocipede around 1867. Though it became very popular, soon people began to call the invention as bone shaker because people's back hurt by riding it. The penny farthing is also referred to as the high or ordinary bicycle. It was invented in 1871 by British engineer Janus Starley. The penny farthing came after the development of the French velocipede and other versions of early cycles. Penny being the large front wheel and farthing the much smaller rear wheel. It was also called high wheel, high wheeler, etc. The penny farthing form enjoyed a great popularity in Europe and the US in the 1870s and 1880s. 14 years later, in 1885, John Kemp Starley added a chain to make paddling easier. He designed the first safety bicycle with a steerable front wheel and also two equally sized wheels. In 1888, John Boyd Dunlop made his most important discovery. He invented the pneumatic tire, a tire inflated with air for the cycles which made the ride less bumpy. This invention showed remarkable improvement in ability to ride on any type of terrains. But with the advent of cars, the bicycles have lost importance. But slowly, the youth of the world today are becoming aware of the pollution generated by cars. Besides, people are beginning to understand that cycling is a great form of exercise. So many young girls and boys are switching back to riding the bicycles.